folks out there in television land. Moving right along now, it's time for Laugh-In's new talent department when we spotlight stars of today, tomorrow.
With yesterday's band.
You keep making fun of the band, they won't play good.
It'll be an improvement.
Hey, I got a surprise for you tonight.
Well, folks, once again, the National Broadcasting Company is going to suck it to you.
Hold it. You've been parading these coops out now for 4 weeks. I happen to have one of myself.
You got one of yourself?
Did I say that?
Why not?
Well,
who have you got?
Oh, I happen to have a dandy.
Yeah?
Ladies and gentlemen, one of the world's great ornithologists.
You got a bird watcher.
We're a little safer saying ornithologist.
He's still a bird watcher.
You bet your sweet ornithologist he is.
Well, what does he do?
He does bird calls.
Oh, come on. These guys are phonies. They put something in their mouth. They don't really do
Not
bird
this
calls.
one. This is on the legitimate.
Legitimate?
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Richard Dawson.
Buongiorno, and thank you. I would like to reiterate what Mr. The tall fellow said, and that is that I have what is known as a natural throat. Yes, just a gift of nature, you might say. I do not use any artificial appliance in my mouth at all to get these uncanny sounds. So if I may, a few of the lesser-known bird calls. Excuse me. Ta-da! Last, but certainly not least, I shall attempt to do something that, to my knowledge, to my knowledge, has never actually been attempted in prime time before. Absolute silence, please.
Well, there he goes. Say hello to Tiny Tim.
Well, I think I'll go take a walk and clear my head after
Hey,
that.
oh, wait a minute. You're not going anywhere. I got another one.
You got another goodie?
A protest singer.
A real protest singer?
A real protest singer, boy.
yes,
You just
so.
bet your sweet zonky.
Whoa, I can hardly wait to see who she's mad at.
You don't have to be mad at anybody to be a protest singer.
Well, it helps.
Hey, you're going to love her.
I'd love anybody after those two cuckoos we just saw.
I think we ought to put her on now. She's come a long way to be here tonight.
All the way from Amsterdam, Holland.
No, not quite, but all the way from a demonstration in beautiful downtown Burbank.
What's her name?
Buffy St. Garfunkel.
Well, let's hear it for Buffy St. Garfunkel.
This is my song, and I'm going to sing it. I'm from the rebellious younger generation. I didn't ask to be born into this world, but here I am. Nobody loves me because I got pimples. I hate the Empire State Building because it's so tall. I hate Paris, France, and Charles de Gaulle. I hate organized labor. I hate organized religion. I hate anything that's organized. I hate injustice. I hate the United States Senate Anne Margaret and Rutherford B. Hayes. I hate without regard to race, creed, color, or religion. to sing it. I hate Smokey the Bear, he's a pyromaniac. I don't want my boyfriend to be sent anywhere in this world, including Waukegan, Illinois. I don't even want him here. Nobody loves me because I got the blues. Why wasn't Joan Baez named Miss America? Joan Baez, 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 Baez. They hate us because we know how to do the skate and the boogaloo. I like sit-ins and sleep-ins. I hate walkouts and wait-ins. How come they can put an astronaut out in space, but they can't invent something to clear up pimples? Sing a protest song, sing a protest song. Nothing could be better than to be in Carolina singing protest song, singing protest song. California, here I come with my protest song, with my
Well, that's our new challenge for tonight, folks. I hope you'll tune in next week when the fickle finger of fate points at more stars of tomorrow.
You want to try that again?
I said when the fickle finger of fate points at more stars of tomorrow. Why? How would you say it?
I wouldn't.
Maybe you'd prefer the fickle finger of fate, fame, and fortune flies afar for frequent flicks, flamboyant flaps, and fickle fingers.
Now cut that out!